Belief in the heavenly books. 4. Almighty Allah has sent prophets to humans from among humans. He has sent down books to some of these prophets, teaching them his commands and prohibitions, and the ways to worship him. Some of these books are called suhuf. These are books consisting of a few pages. 4 of these books are major books. Their revelations are as follows. It is narrated that 10 pages were given to Adam, 50 pages to Seth, 30 pages to Enoch, and 10 pages to Abraham. As for the major books, in chronological order, the first is the Torah given to Moses, the second is the Psalms given to David, the third is the Gospel given to Jesus, the fourth is the Qur'an, which was given to our prophets. Allah sent these books through revelation, either through the angel Jibril or through inspiration. These books are called divine books because of the high qualities they possess. Heavenly books because they were revealed through the angel Jibril, and revealed books because they were sent down through the angel Jibril. 4:1. Believing in all of Allah's books is obligatory for every believer. Today, we do not believe in the books that are in the hands of other nations and are said to be heavenly, but we believe in all the books that Allah originally sent to his prophets. This is because the books other than the Quran have been altered. Just as not a single word of the Holy Quran has been altered until our time, it will not be altered until the Day of Judgment, for Allah has stated in the Quran that he will protect it from alteration. All heavenly books have been a mercy for mankind and have shown them the right path. Therefore, we must believe in all of them. To deny any one of these books is to deny them all. A true believer is one who believes in all of Allah's books, clings to the Quran, which is Allah's last book, and strives to follow its rulings. 42. Today, none of the other heavenly books except the Holy Quran exist in their entirety on earth. Centuries have passed, and many nations have disappeared into history, so most of the books have been completely lost, and some have undergone major changes and lost their divine qualities. None of the existing copies of the Torah, Psalms, and Gospel are the same as the books that Allah revealed to Moses, David, and Jesus. However, the Holy Quran has preserved its originality and not a single word has been altered. 43. All the verses of the Holy Quran were memorized by the Prophet himself at the very beginning, and many of his companions also memorized and wrote them down. After the Prophet's passing, Abu Bakr had copies of the Quran written in the presence of all the companions, thus protecting it from alteration. During the caliphate of Osman, sufficient copies were made from this original book and sent to major Islamic centers. Each of these was given the name Mushaf-i Sharif. Later, all copies of the Mushaf were written exactly according to these originals. Hundreds of thousands of Mushaf-i Sharif were written in every century. Additionally, thousands of hafiz who memorized the entire Quran from beginning to end were trained. This is a divine requirement, because among the other heavenly books, only the Holy Quran has been granted this privilege. This is a wisdom. The other books were revealed to prophets for a specific people and a specific time. The Holy Quran, however, was revealed to our prophet for all humanity in all ages. For this reason, it was a matter of wisdom for Allah to protect this book. 44. The fact that not even a single verse of the Holy Quran has been altered and remains in its original form is such a reality that even some Orientalists, those who study Oriental studies, acknowledge it with fairness. Those who claim otherwise are politically motivated individuals who have blindly embraced falsehood and engage in propaganda against Islam. Today, the Quran has been translated into every foreign language. Among these languages, it has been translated into Turkish, Persian, Hindi, German, French, English, Russian, Dutch, and Chinese, as well as into Javanese, Bengali, and Malay. As a result, the divine words of the Holy Quran continue to resonate in the ears of all humanity. It calls upon humanity to unite in brotherhood, peace, and happiness. The Quran is a warning and a reminder for all the worlds. Qalam 52.